Guys, look at this girl. I do not set her up like this. She puts herself in this position on her own. I don't know what she's doing. This is Esther, my northern pine snake, in all her glory. Walk into the room, and this is how I find her. Looking all majestic. Well, it's written, just as Moses lifted up the serpent in the wilderness, so also must the Son of Man be lifted up. Look at this girl. What are you doing? Who knows? Who knows what's going on in that mind? But one thing's for sure, something is going on in that mind.